Thank you, Bhupender ji, for the introduction. Good morning, Chhatrapati Shivaji Sampark. I would like to thank the team of Chhatrapati Shivaji Sampark for inviting me as a celebrity member. It is indeed an honor for me. So I am Dr. Abhimanyu Puri and I am a dentist practicing in Dhantoli. My clinic name is Puri Dental Clinic and Implant Center. So before I begin sharing my journey with you all, I strongly believe that success is no accident. It is hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, the love of what you are doing or learning to do. So I'm definitely sure everyone here also believes in the same thing. So everyone knows me here as a dentist, but apart from the dental practice, I have other two businesses which are related to dentistry, but it is not related to the dental practice. So I'll also be telling you about that and how we actually started and what we actually do in that. So my journey of dentistry started in the year 2004 after clearing various entrance exams, and I got selected in Jamanlal Goenka Dental College in Akola. So 2004 I entered in BDS, and 2009 I completed my BDS, and after BDS I wanted to do MDS. So I took a break for almost 1.5 to 2 years for preparing for various entrance exam all over India. So 2009 till 2011, I prepared for various exams, and I got selected in through COMEDK exam in one of the college in Bangalore. Valley Institute of Dental Sciences and Research Center. So in 2011, I started my MDS. My subject in MDS was periodontics. So आप लोगों को एक basic understanding के लिए perio is basically related to gum diseases. तो जो हमारे मसूड़े होते हैं उससे related जो diseases होती है, जैसे हम एक pyorrhea बोलते हैं. So I specialize in that subject. Mine is a surgical branch. So perio and implantology. So I basically specialize in this subject. I do general dentistry also, but my specialization is this. So in 2000, from 2011 to 2014, I completed my MDS in Bangalore, and after 2014, came back to Nagpur, and then I entered in the race of starting my dental clinic. So place was not an issue for me. मेरे पास already ये जगह थी in Silver Palace building in Dhantoli. So my clinic is around 750 square feet. It's a big clinic, and so we started in 2015. अभी 5 साल हो गए हमारे clinic को. So initially हम लोगों ने एक single chair के साथ start किया था. In 2017 we added second chair. Now very soon we are planning to add third dental chair. So I am there in my practice. My wife, she is Dr. Priyanka Puri. She is also a dentist. She is a graduate, and हम दोनों हैं. हमारे अलावा we have around 8 to 10 all experienced MDS visiting faculty. So अभी dentistry, in past 10 years it has drastically changed. अभी ऐसा नहीं है कि एक single, a dentist he is doing everything. So it's my particular practice is multi-speciality working. We have an expert on in every particular treatment visiting our clinic, and they are doing that particular job. So we have a best person in the in business doing that particular treatment. So I particularly, I'm a periodontist. I am a consultant in around 25 clinics in and around Nagpur, Madhya Pradesh, and in Chhattisgarh region. So mostly my Saturdays, Sundays are occupied as a consultant for perio surgeries, for gum disease surgery. I visit in many clinics. So all this team of doctors, we have been very socially active also in organizing oral health checkup camps, in motivating people about oral health. Last year in 2019, we conducted a dental checkup camp for around 600 students in SFS College, and I am an alumni of SFS College, Seminary Hills. So there we examined around 600 students, including the staff members, and so we are also conducting these camps once in a month in various institutes, colleges, and banks also. We have done plenty of them, and So in our practice, from a simple procedure of tooth filling to the most advanced procedure of smile designing, be it a full mouth rehabilitation, dental implants, be it the youngest to the eldest member of your family, we have complete dental solution in one. So and that is at our clinic. So by the end of 5 years, we are a big family of more than 2,000 happy patients, and this family is growing year by year. And so our team is putting the consistent effort on at every aspect. So this is my dental journey, which you all know me as a dentist. So apart from my dental practice, we are also into academics. We have a firm by the name of 32 Dentrain. So what is this 32 Dentrain? We basically conduct workshops for dentists. It's a dental training academy. It's a dental training workshops we conduct for dentists. So we are presently doing this in 6 cities all over India. And more than 1,000 doctors have registered for a workshop. It's basically a skill enhancement workshop. If there are particular many subjects in dentistry, so we have around 25 mentors on our panel, and we have a complete dedicated website by the name of 32dentrain.com.in. So these two websites are there, in which we have registering doctors from all over India, even from outside India, European countries. Doctors visit India to attend our workshops. It's a 1, 2, or 3 day workshops, and these workshops are mainly conducted in hotels. So it's basically a dental training, a skill enhancement related to dentistry. And so basically, we started this in 2017. So it's been 3 years now, and we have made a very strong pan India presence through this. I am very sure every dentist in India, they know our academy by the name of 32 Dentrain. They know me very well personally all over India, and because of this, in 2018. I was nominated in the top 3 for FAMDent Awards. These are basically India's best dental awards recognizing the dental talents. So I was nominated in the category for Entrepreneurship of the Year 2018. So among more than 1,000 dentists had applied for this category. So I was in the top 3. And so this was basically the FAMDent Award I had nominated for. And this is regarding the 32 Dentrain, what we are doing. And our third, one more firm we started in 2018 is Puri Trade Links. So this is basically related to the trading aspect of dental materials. We also do the online trading of dental materials. जैसे आपने कभी भी किसी डेंटिस्ट के यहाँ विजिट किया होगा, तो वहाँ पे जो सीमेंट्स यूज करते हैं, जो कॉम्पोजिट मटेरियल है या डेंटल मशीनरी है, तो वी basically do the trading also of these materials through our firm called as Puri Trade Links. So अभी हम लोग we are also planning to start a website of this पर्टिकुलर फर्म. एंड जैसे कि हम लोग एक, जैसे अमेजोन है, ये है, इस तरीके से हम लोग एक ऑनलाइन सेलिंग ऑफ डेंटल मटेरियल्स की तरीके से हम लोग अभी प्लान कर रहे हैं स्टार्ट करने के लिए कि एनी डेंटिस्ट एनीवेयर इन इंडिया दे कैन परचेज व्हाटएवर मटेरियल दे वांट थ्रू आवर दिस वेबसाइट ऑफ Puri Trade Links. So my team is presently working on this. And so I would just say overall it's been 5 years, and that this overall journey has been very tough for me, but it's at the same time it's been very enjoyable. And I would just say that every business, every profession have their own hardships. Getting to the certain level in the life takes time. Just stay focused, be patient, and make use of every opportunity which knocks the door. And we should actually make use कि ये हमारे लिए हम इससे क्या best use कर सकते हैं ये opportunity का, because at the end we all will reach our destination. Thank you once again, Sampark, for inviting me as a celebrity member, and I hope my journey definitely it gives you something, a good message. Thank you so much, Anurag sir. Thank you.